heart desires will come to you.
I didn't desire to lose an eye, but it almost happened. Midday light bites, trail mix type things, cookies.
There are hardly any cookies here. They're homemade chips, part of that.
And then of course the drink bar looks like a French onion soup, little crackers, cheese plate, meat plate, veggies. This is prosciutto wrapped poached pear, duck quesadillas. We have a fancy mini corn dog, and the ridiculously fancy uncrustable cut 4 ways, garnished with gummy bears.
It's jelly with a peanut butter between 2 pieces of wheat with a goomy garnish. Not an uncrustable cut in 4 ways with gummy bears. Like,
what'd you say? It was like a
garnish de goom.
A garnish de goom, quartered.
Silly girl.
Where are we at?
We're at the Magic Kingdom.
Again.
For the second to last time. We're
not
gonna use
ever.
that word.
We're just gonna say again.
Again. Here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I guess I'll take my own advice.
Bye, Allie. Hope you find your dad. How much fun was that?
I love it so much.
I won't be able to go down. Like,
Love
you little
it so much.
Bye, Casey. How was our trip to the Magic Kingdom just to ride our one fast pass?
It was so great. I totally don't mind any day at the Magic Kingdom where it's just Big Thunder and Rice Krispie treats. That's totally fine in my book.
Good point. Oh boy.
Just making our yum-yums over there. Oh boy.
What a liar.
Oh,
You should. I don't know how.
Train station, I know they have them. They do have the ones that are also quarters, like station quarters. That requires like 4 quarters.
Okay.
I have that as well.
Okay, you have that. They have a really cool one over there. I know I've gotten a really cool Nokia 50 one.
Okay. The coolest one. I don't care if it's
Yeah.
near.
This will be our first press penny and probably like our only. So.
Okay, I was going under the train station.
Okay.
It's right there. I think we're out in the park right now.
Okay.
Are you guys going to Epcot at all?
No, this is like our last night.
Okay. I would say you're going there first.
Okay.
I really do have some
Okay. Cool.
Alright.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Holy smokes. It always looks so beautiful at night. There you are.
Hey,
What you got?
I just got a bunch of cookies and crispy treats and different things.
Yeah.
We're gonna go press a penny or a quarter.
Press up. We were asking, so we asked the girls inside what the best pressed penny is. And Skylar, shout out to Skylar at the Main Street Bakery, told us that the best pressed penny is actually a pressed quarter.
So we're gonna go find that.
We're gonna go find that over at the train station right here. Woo.
You tell us.
Casey totally copied you. You were like, woo, and he was like, "Meow." It's doing it. Oh, there it goes. It's happening.
Well, that was so.
Whoa, it happened. That was fast. Really?
Yeah, that was it.
Wow. That's a super fast process.
And it's warm because of the like pressure and stuff
Yeah. Interesting.
from it. Very cool. Our first press penny.
We did that one. This was a penny?
This is a penny, and now we're gonna go do the
Cool.
quarter.
Come on, let's go. Daddy wants to show you the show.
And we're gonna do the contemporary one because we're staying here.
Yeah.
There it goes. Wow, that was super fast. Whoa, that was so fast.
Seriously? It's done? That's crazy.
Yeah, that looks cool.
So crazy.
Monorail.
Nice.
Then you
That's
want
so
Dory
cute.
Marlin or something else? Chef Mickey
Um,
with the contemporary on it since we ate there today.
We can do
Or-
that.
Let's do the 2016.
Okay, that's
Like
fine.
that's. Oh wait, that's all quarters.
What do you need? 2 more?
Yeah.
I have 2 more.
Wait, no, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Bam. 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 We're gonna do the 2016, right?
Yeah.
Watch the quarter.
Oh, geez.
Because last time it got us off guard and just like,
Happened.
there it goes.
Boom.
Dang, that thing sounds huge.
That's awesome.
Whoa, it's so cool.
Cute.
We got more things for fireworks.
Why?
Because it's our anniversary.
Crazy. What in the world? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is awesome. Whoa, those are adorable. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Wow.
So, champagne glasses.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Oh, you need to see that bottle.
Okay. Should I just dig right in?
You should dig right in.
Oh, that's so cute.
Wish's brand cider. Apple cider, I think.
Grape juice, yeah. So cute. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome. And then
that's awesome. I'm glad we didn't buy these the other day.
no,
That's so cool. Oh my goodness.
I knew not to buy those.
How cute are these?
And we get to keep those.
Yeah, they're adorable. That's so fun. And some
More of those
irresistibly
things.
smooth milk chocolate truffles.
Oh, this is in the shape of a Minnie or Mickey.
Yes,
I didn't
that's
catch
what
that.
I like tapped it first and was like, what? That's so fun. Some wafer crackers and some gourmet cheese spread. Right on.
Ooh. I had no idea about these things.
I don't even know what these are. This
White
is insane.
White chocolate, Mickey and Minnie.
Why do these exist? This is too cute. What? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. And then earlier they brought us this. These were fun.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It's a chocolate bar, not
chocolate
just a
bar.
picture.
Yeah, chocolate bar and then 3 little truffles.
I really
Oh my gosh.
I really like the box and the card. That came
Yeah,
with it.
like for sure. We're keeping this. Like this is neat. Like we'll put it with our little Laundry's macaroons box that's
similar
similar type of thing. Like
that definitely makes sense.
yeah, for sure. Like fun little chocolate goodie boxes stick together. And then they got us a sweet little note too.
I like it because it's personalized on the inside and it's like monogram sealed.
Yeah, that's super cute. And yeah, they just said like, thanks for staying with us. Wow. Ooh. So fun. These are ridiculous. Like
I don't even know.
You really don't even know about these?
I had no idea about those.
Oh my gosh. I wonder if they brought them as like you were saying you tried to order that monorail thing, so maybe this was like
I think this is Tanea.
Oh, really?
This is Tanea, like on our behalf.
Wow.
I think.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. How long till Wishes?
I don't know, because I'm recording.
Okay, stop recording so we can look at the time.
Just don't point it at me. And then...
It's almost there.
Ah!
Don't do that. That literally just flew off the balcony.
It did not. Did it?
I think so. It might have bounced to the left. I think it went this way. Or it went down.
It probably went down.
Sorry.
Okay, so we just watched Wishes from our room.
So crazy.
It was so crazy. There's 1 hour left. It's like 9 o'clock. Or no, it's a 8:45.
8:45.
And there's extra magic hours, so we're heading back in for our last hour at the Magic Kingdom for this trip. We're gonna go do, I think, Casey's and Space Ranger Spin. We're gonna try and make Lindsay a galactic hero. And we'll see. And anything else that we want to do. And there's the orange monorail. It's our favorite sign, I think. One of the favorite signs. Here you leave today and into the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy.
It's just so cool. It's like, forget your world, forget your day, forget your life.
You're here.
Yeah, you're here, Magic Kingdom.
And then I think Lindsay's favorite sign is here. We wish we could find this in a poster.
Yeah.
You can't really see it, but it's the Wishes Fireworks Spectacular brought to you by Pandora. Oh, double lighting.
Brought to you by us.
It's just so cool, like, and presented by Pandora. Someday we'll find it on poster.
Yeah. We've asked all throughout the park.
And no one's ever seen it.
They just say, no, we don't sell it. So I've taken photos of it, so maybe we'll find a way to reprint it or something.
If we have any subscribers, if we have any subscribers who work at Pandora, if you could let us know.
Hook us up.
Hook us up if you work at Pandora. Thank you.
That's a thing.
Keep your eyes on me.
Do you want to be a knight?
Whatever one you.
A native.
You're gonna be on the outside, so you can pick your horse.
Yeah, and then
This
you can
is
be an Indian.
Okay.
I mean, like, because usually it's like flowery ones. Usually it's flowery ones on the inside and like the more masculine ones on the outside. But
Do you think they'd let me like straddle these two?
probably not.
Definitely not. That's such a bad idea. Don't do that. Do you want selfie? That's how we selfie. I wonder if there's ever been a stampede on this.
Stampede.
Yeah.
Like Mary Poppins status. They like
Oh, yeah.
were on the carousel, they went off the carousel. And
then the
there
race.
was the racehorse stampede.
I guess.
Do you think we'll get Mary Poppins music?
I hope so. What's the Fun of Dreams pretty good.
Yeah.
What else? Be Our Guest would be good too.
Yeah.
Soft we go, and you're in the sky. Where will you fly? We're dancers.